Okay, kids, as I mentioned, today is the International Day of Peace, and so I want you to spend your independent writing time thinking of things that bring peace to you, and you could focus your energy and writing on peace today. If you'd like to make a list of peaceful scenes or write a story that has to do with making peace or anything that you can think of that's related to peace, you can write, and you can also illustrate whatever it is that you write, which means draw pictures of whatever you're thinking about related to peace today. And I want you to find a nice peaceful spot to um, sort of just practice being calm, practice being at ease, and relax your mind, relax your body, and focus on peace during your writing time. Good luck, enjoy your time, and I wish you peace on this International Day of Peace. Tomorrow we will be sharing some of the things in Author Circle that you focused on today related to peace.